Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the recent moves in the dollar, emerging market currencies, and sterling. Then we'll discuss the rather thin schedule of events for today. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my daily market comment. Well, the dollar gained as markets have gotten more optimistic about President-elect Trump. People expect that he may be more successful in getting the Republican Congress to agree to increase spending. That's boosted hopes for fiscal stimulus in the U.S. Inflation expectations rose, bond yields jumped, and Fed funds rates expectations moved up, which all pushed the dollar higher. On the other hand, emerging market currencies collapsed as a result. Higher interest rates not only reduced the attractiveness of EM currencies for carry trades, but also the higher dollar and higher U.S. rates will make life difficult for the many emerging market companies that have borrowed in dollars. Emerging market equity markets saw a flood of outflows as a result, and that pushed the currencies lower. Now, sterling has done well as investors focus on Eurozone political risk. Brexit is a story for the next several years, but the upcoming Eurozone elections are a story for the next several months. Euro sterling is under pressure as a result. Also, Trump's promise to bring the UK to the front of the line for trade negotiations. Finally, the British economy tends to move fairly closely aligned with the US economy, so faster US growth should be positive for sterling. On the other hand, gold and the yen were lower as the risk-on mood diminished the demand for safe haven assets. And oil was also down on expectations that Trump will loosen regulations for drilling in the U.S., leading to higher U.S. oil output. Today, there's not much on the schedule. Fed Vice Chair Stanley Fischer will speak on U.S. monetary policy and the global economy. The Fed tries to be non-political or apolitical, so I don't expect he'll make any profound comments about the country's new leader, which is what we'd really like to hear. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index is expected to rise modestly, but it remains below its cyclical high. In any event, the more interesting point will be to see how much it's revised when the final figure comes out on November 23rd, because that will incorporate interviews conducted after the election. Then on Sunday, Japan's third quarter GDP will be released. Growth is expected to be in line with second quarter growth, showing neither acceleration nor contraction. Such a result probably won't call for any policy change and therefore should be neutral for the yen. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.